Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen. So I want us to start off analysis with the chart on our screen. Start off with this is silver. So disregard the indicator I'm having on my screen. I'm not actually using it. It was there previously, so disregard it. A very good support from yesterday. We had resistance on 9th of August. We had a resistance. We had a break above the same resistance. Then we had a support. Had a support. Had a support. We had a So as it is right now, we do expect the price to continue upwards. We actually expect a move at least up to around 28.155, which is this line here. So if the price should ascend and close above this line, then we want to wait for a retracement towards the same level so that we pick a buy position at least up to somewhere around 28.667. So if the price can move up and touch that line, if it doesn't break and close above it, we will be expecting the sellers to come in strongly from around that area. So we will be expecting the sellers to come in from around or around here. But in case the price breaks above any of those lines, then we'll be expecting a trade in that direction. So keep watch. If the price descends and closes below 27.703, which is this line here, we will be looking for sell positions. But if the price continues upwards, then our target is this one. My next chart is EURUSD. So on EURUSD so far, we are upwards. We are looking forward for buy positions. We actually expect the bars to continue upwards. Yesterday, we were also looking for buy positions. We actually had very good trend line. As you can see, we had a trend line here. That trend line is still holding. It's still useful. Still holding on to it. And we do expect that the price is going to continue to move upward as long as we see sustenance above this trend line. So expect that while the price continues to sustain itself above this line, we are looking for buy positions. We actually expect that the buyers are going to push us upwards around 1.1049. So we have our target at 1.11049, and we have another place, which is this one. So in case of a pullback towards this trend line, we'll be looking for a buy position. And in case the price continues upwards, then we will expect it to continue even much higher towards 1.11046. So that's my opinion on GBPUSD. The other chart is, sorry, that was EURUSD. The other chart is GBPUSD. So on GBPUSD so far, we are strictly looking for buy positions. We actually expect that the buyers are going to continue to push us upwards following the close we had yesterday above 1.28171. So while the price continues to sustain itself above this line, these two lines, we will be looking for more buy positions. We actually expect that the buyers are going to continue to push us upwards towards the next target, which is this one here. My other chart is the US dollar Japanese yen. So this chart is inside a range. Look at what happened yesterday. Actually, for the past 1, 2, 3, 4 days, we've not seen any significant move either. But we do expect that in the near future, maybe the price could break beyond 147.255 or 146.526. If that happens, if the price breaks below the upper line, then that will mean we are continuing upwards. And if the price breaks below the lower line, then that will mean we are now continuing to the lower side. But keep watch, wait and see what happens. In case the price descends below that lower line, then that will be a good sign that we are now continuing to the lower side. So our target on the lower side is actually this 141.703. So if the price should descend and close below 146.526, which is this line, we will be expecting an acceleration towards this line. And in case the price breaks above 147.255, then that will be a good sign that we are now continuing upwards towards 154.352. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. Thank you and see you.